Ever wanted to wake up in the countryside like it was your daily routine? Welcome home. The Townhomes at River Club Athens is what your heart desires. In these en-suite room, you get to come home to a cozy bed to sleep snug like a bug, desk and chair to turn into the study nook of your dreams, and a covered patio to unwind outdoors. From basics like water and trash services to extra essentials like a secure parking space to rest your wheels. Your rent covers it all. Oh, here's a bonus. Your new home is pet-friendly. Don't forget to bring your fuzzy buddies along. Another reason why this is the perfect spot for you. University of Georgia and Piedmont University are just minutes away by car. Your timely arrival to class is effortless and inevitable. Want to explore the city with ease? Sure, I just hop onto a bus from River Club Townhomes or Timothy Road at Rhodes Drive OB and visit local eateries, nature spots, cultural gems, and more. Live the student life you've dreamed of. Come to the Townhomes at River Club via amberstudent.com now.